Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we're
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. This is going to be a hype or hoax video featuring Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. So should you believe the hype or is it a hoax and it's not really that good? If you want to know more, keep watching. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, that way you won't miss out on any of the great videos I make for this channel. 2, hit the notification bell, that way you'll be first to know when I post a new video or go live. 3, like this video if you like the video. I feel like there's a lot of skincare products that are really popular and people just want to know, does it really work? Is it worth the money? Or is it overhyped and it's nonsense? So you want more videos like this. How do I know that? By you liking it. So like the video so that way I know to make more like it. Alright, and let's get into it. So this is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I will put the pricing information in the description box below. I got it from Sephora. I'm like 65% sure that it was like $80 or $125 or something like that. Matter of fact, now I think of it, I got this from Ulta. I did not get this from Sephora, and maybe it was $125, something like that, right? So is it worth the money? I'm gonna put it down real quick just to talk with my hands, right? So there are skincare products that do stuff at every level. Drugstore, mid-range, high-end, super luxury, like La Mer $500 face creams, right? I'm pretty sure that you can find something similar to this product at a lower price point. I just right now don't know what that is. So in terms of what it's going to do, it's the Estée Lauder Night Repair is going to improve your skin texture, improve your skin hydration. It's going to make your skin look more lifelike, bouncy, moisturized. It's not going to exacerbate acne or the oiliness of your skin, so it doesn't like dry you out or put too much oily stuff on top of your face. You are not going to look overly shiny. It's going to make your skin so smooth and feel like a baby's bottom. And it also is going to help to decrease discoloration over time. I'm not going to put a lot, but I'm just going to show you guys. So this is the dry back of my hand, right? I'm going to go in and do 2 drops, right? So we did 2 drops on the back of my hand. That was my hand. The 2 drops are on there. Okay, now look at my hand skin. Do you see how it is bringing life, vitality, color, moisture, and just a better skin barrier to the back of my hand? Like instantly. Now my hand has a natural sheen to it. It's not dry and flat looking. It's looking more lifelike and beautiful. So this hand has you see how it's shiny and beautiful looking, almost like a highlighter, effervescent light bouncing off, and then that's just the dry regular hand with a little concealer swatch on it, right? So what I will say is that over time, as you continue to apply it to your face, your skin just gets better and better and better. I started using this, I had used a sample of it years ago and I loved it, but then I started using the Kiehl's Midnight Concentrate Serum, which is more oily, and just because I've been trying to see what are the things that are exacerbating my acne, I'm using cleansing oil, but I'm trying to stay away from facial oils for right now. And this is like, it gives you all the benefits of the Midnight Recovery Concentrate just without the oiliness. And I really like it. Overall, my skin has changed. Before it was like rough and bumpy, and the texture around this part of my nose was literally like hard. And using this in conjunction with my other skincare products and washing my face regularly, trying to change my pillowcase and my sheets regularly, it has so much so enhanced the overall feeling, texture, vibrancy, look of my skin. So I do have a video with my skin with no makeup on, so I will put that video in the comments below just so you can see what my skin looks like for real, because I do have like full face beat right now. But I have to say that this advanced night repair, there's a reason why this is a legacy product and so many people use it and so many people love it. Because it overall upgrades the quality of your facial skin, which ultimately is going to make you look more younger, hydrated, nourished, and decrease discoloration. So I really love this stuff. I think it is worth the hype. Buy the smallest size and try it out. You can use this night and day. I use it only at night. I don't use it during the day, but you can use it 24 hours, okay? So this is a really great product. If you haven't tried it out, you need to. It is worth the hype. This is not a hoax. It actually works and it really delivers results, and that's why so many people love it, okay? This, I swear, this serum is the only thing that's probably keeping Estee Lauder in business, because this double wear and like 3 other things they make are the only thing people care about, because this stuff is so good. So I do know there's a lot of videos of different dermatologists, and they're breaking it down and they're talking about, oh, it doesn't even have this chemical or that chemical, and it's just this chemical, and basically on the chemical composition of it, it is similar to other products. But I will say, me personally, I've seen the most improvement in my skin from this specific product. So I mean, I haven't tried everything on the market, but this has been really the difference change maker in terms of making my overall face look better, okay? So thank you so much for coming to the channel and watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid.